In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header design on Wix. If you're building a website and you want your pages to look more professional or better, match your brand, customizing the header is a great place to start. The header is the section at the top of your site that usually contains your logo, navigation menu, and sometimes buttons or contact details. Updating its design can instantly change the overall feel of your site. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and you have your site open in the Wix editor. Give the editor a moment to load fully so that all the tools are visible. Once you can see your website preview and the editing tools around it, move your mouse to the header area at the top of the page. When you hover over it, you should see a small toolbar or options appear near the header. On the right side of that header toolbar, look for the three dots icon. It usually appears as a small vertical or horizontal row of three dots. This icon opens more options related to the header. Move your cursor over to those three dots and click on them. If your editor is zoomed out and you can't see the dots clearly, try zooming in a bit or slowly moving along the top area until the header options appear. After clicking on the three dots, a small menu will open. In this menu, look for the option that says Change Header Design. Go ahead and click on Change Header Design. This is the main control you'll use to update how your header looks. Once you click it, a design panel will open on the side of the editor. Here, Wix will show you different header styles, backgrounds, and layout options, depending on the template you're using. Take a moment to browse through these designs. You can click on different options to instantly see how they change the appearance of your header in the live preview. As you test different designs, pay attention to how readable your navigation menu is, whether your logo stands out, and how the colors fit with the rest of your site. When you find a header design you like, simply leave it selected. Before you exit, click Save at the top right of the editor, and when you're ready for the change to go live on your actual site, click Publish. That's all you need to do to change your header design on Wix.